We're in Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania at a new car dealership. Is there anything more painful than buying a new car? It's 3 o'clock. I got here at about 10:30 and I don't know when we're leaving. I've had a tooth pulled. I had a lump removed from my leg and got stitches both times on the tooth and the leg. And this is the most painful thing I've done all week. Welcome to this week's vlog. This has been one of those weeks, typical Ohio weather. We've had a little bit of everything. Went for a walk, took the drone with us, flew a little bit. A couple days later, it was snowing. I did get a flight in with the drone in the snow. And just a little bit of everything. And here it is again. It's 55 degrees. It's a little cloudy right now, but it's pretty nice. Well, let's take a look at a couple of those videos. GoPro on the clip mount. I think it should be looking straight ahead. And this is the video of what it looks like. Yeah, like I said, this The weather's pretty amazing today. 55 degrees, sunny, really comfortable out for a walk. Took the drone out for a flight to one of the local soccer fields, and on the way back I stopped at one of the high schools. It was a Saturday, nothing was going on, so I didn't figure it would hurt to fly the drone around there. I just wanted to get some drone shots, different locations, and I hope you like them. You know, at the end of this video, I would like to say I'm really happy with Yuneec Breeze 4K camera drone. It's a cheaper drone, supposedly. Let's say it's a less expensive drone. I got it at Walmart. And this is my third drone, and I'm really happy with it. It seems to handle the light breezes up to about 20 miles an hour real good. Does everything I expect it to do. It's easy to use. I plan on maybe moving up to a better drone in the near future, but for right now, I'm real pleased with Yuneec Breeze. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in a little while. Bye.